Imagine stepping into a living room where a deep emerald velvet sofa sits boldly against a breathtaking marble accent wall, rich, sculptural, and instantly dramatic. The interplay of color and texture, the cool veins of marble, the warmth of plush velvet, sets the mood for the entire home. Today's collection of luxury living room ideas is all about blending layered lighting, natural materials, and a curated palette for a sophisticated, inviting look. From statement lighting and oversized art to custom millwork and organic accents, each idea is designed to elevate your space. Whether you're dreaming of a total overhaul or just looking for that one wow factor, you'll find inspiration here. Let's dive into the details that make a living room unforgettable. Let's kick things off with a showstopper. The sculptural velvet sofa paired with a dramatic marble accent wall. Picture a luxe, curved sofa in a bold jewel tone anchoring the room with its inviting shape and sumptuous texture. Behind it, a wall of veined marble stretches from floor to ceiling, its natural patterns catching the light and creating a timeless backdrop. The velvet draws you in, making the space feel cozy, while the marble adds instant drama and sophistication. By combining these two powerful elements, you set the tone for the entire space. Every piece that follows, from the area rug to the art, feels intentional and elevated. If you want your living room to make a lasting impression, start with a statement sofa and a wall that wows. A single piece of oversized abstract art can completely transform your living room, acting as both anchor and conversation starter. Think of a canvas that spans nearly the width of your seating area, swaths of color and bold shapes that command attention. Placing this artwork above your sofa or on a prominent wall gives your living room instant personality and a sense of curated luxury. With the right piece, even the simplest furniture feels elevated, and every glance around the room becomes a moment of inspiration. This is where high design meets heart in art that's as expressive as you are. Lighting is everything in a luxury living room, and nothing makes a statement quite like a dramatic brass chandelier. Imagine a sculptural fixture suspended from the ceiling, its gleaming arms and soft, warm bulbs casting a golden glow across the space. A bold light fixture not only brightens the room, but also acts as functional art, drawing the eye upward and making your ceiling part of the visual story. Nothing says sophistication like natural wood and walnut-paneled walls bring instant warmth and texture to a living room. Hidden LED strip lighting, subtly tucked behind panels or along edges, creates a soft ambient glow that highlights the grain of the wood. This combination of rich walnut and discreet lighting creates a cocooning effect, making the space feel both luxurious and inviting. There's nothing more luxurious than an abundance of natural light, and floor-to-ceiling windows make any living room feel expansive and bright. Sheer drapes in soft, airy fabrics filter sunlight beautifully, diffusing it for a dreamy, ethereal quality. The overall look is elegant, light-filled, and effortlessly high-end, connecting your living room to the outdoors. A curated neutral palette is the foundation of any luxury living room, but what makes it truly sing is the strategic use of color. Warm taupes, soft grays, and creamy whites, punctuated by rich deep blue accents, keep the space calm and cohesive, while adding depth. The result is a room that's serene yet never boring, timeless yet uniquely yours. Built-in shelving is both practical and beautiful, especially when it's customized to your space and filled with thoughtfully selected decor. Clean lines, open shelves, and a mix of books, sculptural objects, and personal treasures create a curated, intentional display. Built-ins add architectural interest while keeping clutter at bay, making everything feel organized and elevated. Texture is a key ingredient in any luxury space, and a plush area rug with a geometric pattern adds both comfort and visual interest. Geometric patterns keep things modern and fresh, grounding the space and tying your furniture together. A fireplace is the heart of the living room, and nothing feels more elegant than a minimalist hearth with a marble surround. Clean lines and a sleek profile let the natural beauty of the stone take center stage, providing a timeless focal point. Nothing says luxury quite like velvet, and accent chairs in rich jewel tones bring both color and comfort to the living room. These chairs are the perfect way to add personality and a sense of opulence, especially when paired with more neutral decor. Layered lighting is one of the secrets to a truly luxurious living room. Start with recessed ceiling lights, then add wall sconces and table lamps to create pockets of warmth and highlight key areas. The interplay of different light sources means you can set the mood for any occasion, from bright and lively to soft and intimate. Mixing materials is a hallmark of luxury design, and a glass coffee table with brass legs is a perfect example. The transparency of glass keeps things light and airy, while the metallic base adds just the right amount of glam. A statement mirror above the mantel does double duty, reflecting light to make the room feel bigger and acting as a piece of art. Mirrors amplify your design choices and help create a bright, open, and welcoming atmosphere. Bringing nature indoors is a hallmark of modern luxury, and nothing does it better than a tall indoor tree or oversized plant in a striking pot. The result? A living room that feels fresh, organic, and full of life, with a natural focal point that never goes out of style. Subtle texture on the walls can completely change the feel of your living room. Grass cloth, linen, or specialty plaster finishes catch the light and add depth without overwhelming the space. Adding a tactile element to your walls creates a cozy, enveloping vibe that really sets your living room apart. A floating media console with a high-gloss finish is the ultimate in sleek, uncluttered living room design. The glossy surface adds shine and reflects light, while concealed storage keeps electronics and clutter out of sight. Handcrafted ceramics and vases bring a touch of artistry and uniqueness to your living room. Display them on shelves, coffee tables, or mantels for pops of color and texture. These accents are a reminder that luxury isn't just about price. It's about the love and attention poured into every detail. Window treatments are both functional and beautiful, especially when layered for depth and flexibility. Sheer curtains let in soft light during the day, while blackout drapes add privacy and drama at night. A low-profile modular sectional is the ultimate in modern comfort and flexibility. Its streamlined shape keeps everything looking contemporary, and you can arrange the pieces to fit whatever you need. Metallic accents are a shortcut to instant glamour, and small gold or brass tables are the perfect way to introduce a bit of shine. Look for interesting shapes to add personality and dimension, keeping your living room feeling layered and luxe. Art displays don't have to be busy to be impactful. A monochrome gallery wall, think black and white photography or art in a single color family, creates a sophisticated, cohesive look. Uniform frames and careful spacing add to the sense of order and elegance. Lighting can be art too, and a statement floor lamp with a sculptural base proves it. The right lamp not only lights up the space, but also acts as a conversation piece, blending function and design. A leather ottoman or pouf brings both comfort and a touch of luxury to your living room. Use it as a footrest, extra seating, or even a coffee table with a tray on top. Don't forget to look up. Ceiling details like coffered or tray ceilings add architectural interest and a sense of grandeur. The ceiling becomes another canvas for your design vision, proving that in a luxury living room, every surface matters.